How to share posts. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your post after editing the video or a photo through the help of Edits app. It's super simple, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First thing first, open up the Edits app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the home page of the Edit app, tap onto this plus icon to add new photos or videos, or you can just choose from your recently finished project. Now from here you can do whatever you like. You can edit the photo or you can convert it to your video. Once you're satisfied with it, tap on export. Once the video is exported, you can tap on share to Instagram or share to Facebook. Choose whatever you prefer. And now you can post it in your Instagram. Isn't it simple? This is how you can edit the post and then later on share your post in the Instagram or your Facebook app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.